Look at that. Happy New Year. Let's go catch another one of those, baby. Whoa, we almost jumped into a kayak. Whoa. Howdy, I'm Chris Miller with Miller Outdoors. For 20 years now, I've run a guide service here in northern New Hampshire. And I put out hunting, fishing, and other outdoor videos here on YouTube. Now, usually during this time of year in January, I'm in the woods nearly every day hunting on snowshoes. But this year's a little different. And the mission is a long fishing trip down near Key West, one of the best fishing destinations in the entire world. Now, I left northern New Hampshire in nasty, cold, dreary, snowy weather and arrived down in Big Pine Key, Florida a couple of days later to weather in the high 70s, beautiful sunshine, and nearly 2 hours more daylight each day. The fishing has been fantastic, and I've got a handful of videos coming of the trip over the next few weeks. So stay tuned for a preview of what's coming. But before we get to that, my question for you is, what do you do more and what do you enjoy watching more, hunting or fishing? Put your answer in a comment down there below the video. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm going to enjoy this while you enjoy the preview. Good morning. Our goal this morning is to get out on the water early here on New Year's Day. The sun is just coming up this morning. We're going to start our morning by heading to the pinfish trap we've got out here just off the mouth of the canal. Oh, Mr. Shark. My God, yeah! We got a tarpon on. Man, these things can pull. Oh! Oh, son of a gun's getting a second wind. Oh! Oh, that's a blast.
Mine.
I'm gonna find out here in a minute. See what we got here. There it is.
Yeah, it is.
So strong. Come here, big girl. I just want my sinker. A little more. All right, I got my sinker. Bye. First grouper of the trip.
Yep.
See you, bud. Pretty good day bottom fishing. This is the strongest 15-pound braid I've ever seen. I've got a big ray on. It's huge, and I can't break the damn line. There it is. Look at the size of that son of a gun. Boy, they are strong. I can't break them off. Oh. Damn it, break! Tighten up. Yeah, it is. Whoa! Mr. Acrobat. What a beautiful sunset. One more snapper and we're gonna pack it in and head in. Hey buddy, how you doing, pal? Hey bud, he likes those branches. And I just chucked a little pinfish in there on a circle hook, and I didn't even get a chance to start the camera, and this big mangrove grabbed it. This thing's a monster. It's a snapper right there, in about a foot of water. What have we here? Oh, another nice mangrove. That'll round out our limit of mangroves for the day. Exactly what I was looking for. There's our slot red. Come on, buddy.
Whoa.
There. Phew. Wicked bite on this other rod here. Broadside. He's running like crazy. Oh, it's a big fish. Oh, crap. This might be a shark. Holy crap. Gotta get this other line in. Oh, what a mess. Oh, what a mess. Oh, man. He's gonna spool me if I'm not careful. I'm gonna get this other rod in and then come off anchor to get him. There we go. Come on, that's a better mangrove there. I think that's gonna have to be the last fish. I can't take this. I mean, these things are just almost carry you away. Let's get the heck out of here. Whew, man, those buds are brutal. Is that beautiful or is that beautiful? Oh boy. What we got, but what is that? Come out of whatever it is over there. Oh, I gotta get up out of there, 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 out of there. Get him out of those roots. Get out of those roots. It's a big fish. Holy shit. Oh, it's a tarpon. Pretty good fish, whatever it is. Oh, it's a tarpon. Oh, baby. Catching these things, man, never gets old. Now that's exciting. I love it. Now we're stopping at the bait store again. See what we've got. Now that is a load of pinfish. Holy smokes. Oh, geez, that was another good one. We're going to draw it tight on them. I don't know what this is. Good fish, whatever it is. Oh, another tarpon. Look at that. Come up again, dude. Yeah. Oh, that's a ball. Yeah, that's a better one there. This one's a little long. Whoa! Oh, he broke me off. Oh, he didn't bow to him enough when he went in that last jump. That was fun. Gotta get brave and flip it in there just a little bit more. There we go. There was a bite. Did he take it off the dang hook or did he? He's on. Come on out of there, boy. Come on. What the hell? It's a Goliath. Holy crap. Just took it. Pull tight. Look at him go. Boy, he came right at me. Son of a gun is fast. He swam right at me. If I can get in there deeper, maybe I can reel up to him. Well, there's some nice big snappers down there. Look at that. There's 4 or 5 nice big snappers right there. Snapper, come out of there, Mr. Snapper. Come out of there, Mr. Snapper. There we go. There's a nice snapperino. He's one for the cooler. Oh. This damn thing is big and heavy. I think that's a yellowjack. Yeah, that is a yellowjack. There's a quality fish there. And look at the activity underneath that boat. I've been dumping out chum pretty regularly and it's working, boy, it is working. Just gonna drop down another pinfish chunk on this yellowtail jighead. I don't know what it is, but it's out. Oh boy. Oh, a damn rod snap. Then the fish came off. At the end of that rod.
Gonna take a sentimental journey, sentimental journey home, sentimental journey. Over and out.